In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to book a flight on Wizz Air. To get started, open your web browser and head to wizzair.com. You'll land on the homepage where the booking area is front and center. If you see any region or cookie prompts, review them and continue so the site can show you the right prices and airports for your location. Next, make sure you're on the flight option in the booking panel. This is usually selected by default, but if it isn't, click it so you're searching for flights, not hotels or other services. Before entering details, decide whether you want a return trip or a one-way ticket. Choose the option that fits your plans. Return will let you pick two dates, your outbound and your inbound, while one-way only needs a single date. Picking the right trip type up front helps the site show you accurate results and pricing. Now enter your origin. You can type a city or a specific airport and you'll see suggestions appear as you type. Double check that you pick the correct airport, especially in cities with multiple options. Do the same for your destination, again confirming you've selected the exact city or airport you want. With the route set, select your travel date. Click into the calendar and choose the day that works best. If you selected a return trip earlier, you'll pick both departure and return dates here. You may notice that some dates display lower fares than others. If your plans are flexible, this can help you save. Next, set the number of passengers. Adjust adults, children, and infants as needed so the search reflects your actual group. Accurate passenger information ensures the right fare rules and seating options later. Click Search to view available flights. The results page will list your options for the chosen dates. Take a moment to compare departure times and prices, and then select the flight that best fits your schedule and budget by clicking on it. If a date selector appears again, this is your chance to confirm or tweak the travel date based on availability and price. Choose the date you want to proceed. When you're ready, click Start Booking. This moves you into the booking flow where you'll be asked to choose your fare. Finally, select either the regular price or the Wizz Discount Club price. The Discount Club price is typically lower, but requires an active membership. If you're not a member, the regular price is the straightforward option. Choose the one that applies to you, and you're set to continue to the next stages of the booking process, like passenger details and add-ons.